On our way, we were captivated by a stunning view of Magala city. We decided to stop and discuss its significance. Magala is one of Ethiopia's largest cities, second only to Addis Ababa. Historically, it is served as the capital during Emperor Yohannes' reign. There are so many places to visit in Magala, like the Palace of Emperor Yohannes, Chom'a, where the Holy Christ is celebrated, and the bustling Adagasoni market. After leaving Magala, we drove to Gibraltar, which is 127 kilometers away. Along the way, we explored several Tigray towns. Gibraltar is famous for its incredible Giz manuscripts, stunning painting, and monastic life. It is home to some of the most inaccessible churches in the world, like Abuna Yamata. The hike to reach those churches was challenging, but rewarding, offering breathtaking view of the magical land.